Maggie bought 3 bags of sugar and X bags of flour. 1 bag of sugar contains 750 grams of sugar, and 1 bag of flour contains 500 grams of flour. The total weight of all the bags she bought is 3.25 kilograms. How many flour bags did Maggie buy? Let's start by going back through the word problem and underlining or highlighting the key pieces of information that we're going to need to solve. So we have 3 bags of sugar and X bags of flour. Each bag of sugar contains 750 grams. 1 bag of flour contains 500 grams. The total, so after we add everything together, the total is 3.25 kilograms. How many bags of flour does Maggie need to buy? So we're trying to solve for X. So we need to set up an equation. So total is going to be our equal sign. Let's start there. It equals 3.25 kilograms. Now I don't want to write 3.25 because we're using a different metric, kilograms and grams. So let's convert everything to grams. To convert kilograms to grams, we need to multiply 3.25 by 1,000 because a kilo is 1,000. Again, anytime we're multiplying by tens, hundreds, thousands, you're moving your decimal point the same number of places as you have zeros. So here we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 and add a 0 in that empty space. So this whole equation is going to equal 3,250 grams. We have 3 bags of sugar, and each bag of sugar is 750 grams. Each means to multiply, so we need to do 3 times 750. Then we have X bags of flours, each weighing 500. So this is going to be 500 times X. And these are going to be added together because we're, again, taking the total. So now we can start to simplify and solve for X. Let's start with 3 times 750 to get rid of those parentheses. 2,250 plus 500x equals 3,250. Now we can start isolating our variable. Let's start by subtracting 2,250. Opposite operations to both sides of the equal sign. This will cancel. This will give us 1,000, and then we can bring everything else down. Equals 500x. Our final step, 500, is being multiplied to x, so we need to divide opposite operation to both sides. Get rid of 500. X is going to equal 1,000 divided by 500 is 2, making D our correct answer.